Why do you think these two stories are different? Tell me something that is in Soraya's and Roscoe, and what do we have in Mouse and Cat? They don't belong to each other.
Some of the pictures in Cat and Mouse, and that one is just real pictures.
Absolutely, good observation. Here somebody drew the pictures, and here they're actually real picture. Actually, was a photographer with a camera taking pictures. And Soraya loves pictures, you can tell that, right? So in here in Soraya and Roscoe, we have real pictures. Good observation. I like that, Madison. Drawings. Let's put here the word. Draw. And I'm trying to summarize because I'm kind of. All right. So do you understand how to use a Venn diagram to represent the similarities and differences between, in this case, two books? And you can use it for anything that you want to compare and contrast. Do you see how it works? Any questions? Diego. You have any question? How would you use a Venn diagram if you happen to use one? Do you know what you do? What do you put in the center? What goes in the center? Remember? Compare and contrast. Okay, the things that are similar go in the middle, right? Sonia, this is a warning. Okay, so do you know what to do if you happen to use a Venn diagram? What are you going to put in the middle? Bella, what goes in the middle? Who can tell Bella what goes in the middle? Emma, what goes in the middle? Don't be shy, I know you know. We already practiced that. Brianna. Compare. When you are comparing, you are. Yes, you got the idea. You just have to put your words together and tell me you are comparing. So, the same. Absolutely, the same. You got it, Brianna. Excellent. So, if we put the things that are the same in the middle, consequently, the things that are different are going to be on the side. Okay, boys and girls, guess what? You are going to have your very own Venn diagram. On one side of the Venn diagram, you are going to write one of the titles of the books that I'm going to provide. In this case, suppose that you get this book, then you're going to put the title, which is Work. And probably you will have another book like this. We are working. Then you will write the other title on the other side of your Venn diagram. Okay? But remember, you are working with your partner. Once you have this done, you are going to start going through the book. You see the characters, the people who are involved in the story, because they are short stories. I'm sure some of you are able to read it. What are they doing? How these two books could be similar and how these two books could be different. And this is, you are going to do it again You have your own Venn diagram, but you're going to share the book with your partner, so you're going to talk to each other, okay? You're going to discuss and you're going to come into conclusion. And once you have it, you go and in the middle, what are you going to write in the middle? Matthew?
What's going to be the same?
Exactly. In the middle, you're going to write what is similar, what is the same. Excellent. What are you going to write on this side? Somebody besides Matthew. Sonia.
We're going to write about story,
Mhm.
title of the story.
You're going to write the title of the story, and on the side, what else does it go? What else goes on the side? PK, this is a warning. And I'm very sad because you are not paying attention to what I'm saying. Okay, PK, what are you going to write in here? How they are different. What belongs to this book only, right? That is not in this book. And on this side, besides the title, you are going to write what is in this book that doesn't belong to this book. Are we clear? Okay, perfect. Because I'm going to call you now, and you are going to come with your table partner. I know Mrs. Tillotson has to make some changes yesterday to accommodate you so you can work better, right? So when I call you, you know who is your table partner. So these two students are going to come to me. I will give you your Venn diagram and the two books that you're going to be working. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Cole, we come here with your table partner. Perfect. Okay, Cole and go. And you are going to work with these two books. Okay? You can quietly move to your desk and start working. Thank you. Connie? Okay. What are these books? Working. I see Sanya and Shirai. They're already writing down their titles, looking at the books. And for that, I'm going to give each of you five hours because you are showing good work. Excellent. Excellent job. I see Emma going through the book, and she already wrote the titles on each side of her Venn diagram. And for that, I'm going to give you a PK already started to work very nicely. He is writing the title of his book. Beautiful, PK. And for that, thank you, PK. I'm going to give you a prize. Thank you. Same thing with Diego. Wow, Diego is working very diligently. And he's copying the title of his book and already and one side of his Venn diagram. And you're gonna have your prize. Whoa, look at Brianna. Brianna is reading her book. She already wrote both titles on each side of the Venn diagram. Now she's grabbing another book. Thank you, Brianna, for working so well. And here, whoa, amazing. Excellent job. Keep it up, keep working. You're going to find something I have to tell you, you have to work together. When you put it like this, and I give you a try, okay? So work together. Let's see. Excellent work, boys and girls. Remember, I distributed the tri-tasks to all the students who are doing their very best. And I see many of you doing so. Thank you. I see you comparing and contrasting, and later we're gonna share. So the whole classroom is gonna see your final job, your final. Partner work. Okay. PK, can you share with Diego what is the same in both? Diego, look at what PK is telling you. What is the same? Can you talk to him? Yes. They have pictures. It's a non-fiction. Excellent observation, PK. Beautiful. All right, Diego. Keep looking if you find something else. I have to say I'm very proud of you, boys and girls. Amazing.